Have you ever wanted to run a full Windows system in the cloud, for free, using GitHub? Yes, a complete Windows VPS that runs inside your browser using GitHub Codespaces and Docker. In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can set it up from scratch, even if you are a beginner. And yes, this is for educational purposes only. Make sure you follow GitHub's terms and use it responsibly. So let's get started. First of all, go to GitHub and create a fresh account if you don't already have one. Try to verify your email properly because Codespaces works better on verified accounts. Once your account is ready, we move to the next step. Now create a new repository. You can name it anything like Windows VPS or CloudWin. Keep it simple. Make sure the repository is public or private. Both will work for Codespaces. After creating it, we move to Settings. Now go to GitHub Settings, then Codespaces. Here you will see options like Idle Timeout, Region Selection. First, increase the idle timeout so your session doesn't stop quickly when you're inactive. Then scroll down and select the region closest to you for better speed and latency. After changing everything, click Save. Now go back to your repository. Click on Codespaces, create Codespace. Wait for it to initialize. Once it starts loading, do not continue immediately. First, stop the Codespace once to reset machine settings. Now go into Codespaces settings and change machine type to maximum available. This is important because it gives you more RAM, more CPU power. After changing it, restart the Codespace. Now wait, it will take some time to fully load the terminal. Once the terminal opens, you'll basically have a Linux environment with sudo access. This is where the magic happens. Now carefully follow the commands I'm going to use. Run everything step by step, don't skip anything. If you rush this part, you might break the setup.
Keep those hands up for tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me then. And let's do tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me.
Now we are going to pull a Windows container using Docker. The system will download Windows image, extract files, start installation process. This may take around 5 to 10 minutes depending on speed. So be patient here, don't close the tab. Once completed, it will automatically expose to ports. After everything is done, you will get around 10 gigabytes usable RAM inside the VM, 4 virtual CPU cores. Stable internet connection depends on region. In my case, I got an India-based IP because I didn't change region properly. So make sure you select the correct region earlier if you want better ping. This setup is not permanent. Your Windows VPS will stop after inactivity timeout, stop when Codespaces credits are used. And it is not 24/7 hosting. So use it for testing, learning, or temporary projects only. And that's how you can run a Windows VPS inside GitHub Codespaces using Docker. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And if you want, I can also show you